Welcome you all in this our lecture series program. Today we are going to talk about past simple tense. As it is there into the picture, a woman is talking to a child and she asks, "You didn't study English." The child replies, "Ha, the PC failed yesterday." What is all about is they are talking about their past. So let's talk about its uses, translations, and their sentence structure inside our topic today. Here we are going to talk about the uses. We use the simple past to express the idea that an action started and finished at a specific time in the past. As it is there into the picture, she played the piano yesterday. So we are talking about her that she played the piano and it was yesterday. It was a specific time in the past. As it is there, children set the table last Sunday. So we are talking about the last Sunday that children set the table. Here, Saima participated in a speech competition. I visited Paris last year. So I am talking about last year that I visited Paris. I'm talking about the action in the past. Here are translations. He went to school. How we are going to translate this sentence into Urdu? वो स्कूल गया, या ये भी कह सकते हैं कि वो स्कूल गया था. As we are going to make its translation, first we are going to translate subject as wo, he, gaya, went, and object school at the end. So this is the way how we are going to make translations from Urdu into English. Here is another sentence. He didn't drive. As it is there, उसने गाड़ी नहीं चलाई. So this is the way we are going to translate subject and then verb, because there are two just components of the sentence or parts of the sentence. Number one, subject, we translated उसने, he, and गाड़ी चलाना, drive. He didn't drive. उसने गाड़ी नहीं चलाई या उसने गाड़ी नहीं चलाई थी. Here are some more sentences in Urdu. हम कल दरिया पर गए थे, मौसलाधार बारिश हुई, उसने पहली पोजीशन हासिल की या हासिल की थी. So this is all about, we are talking about past simple tense. Here is the structure of the sentences. First, we are talking about affirmative sentences. This is the structure, subject, then we are putting main verb, second form of the main verb, and object, as it is there. I completed my homework yesterday. So the first form would be complete, but because this is the past simple, we are using second form of the main verb, and that is completed. I completed my homework yesterday. He or she completed his or her homework last night. It rained in Gujarat last night. We completed our homework last day. You completed your homework yesterday. They completed their homework yesterday. Rehan completed his homework yesterday. Rehan and Wahid completed their homework yesterday. So this is the way we are making sentences in affirmative form. This is the time expression we use in past simple. Yesterday, last night, last year, in 1999, ago, last day, etc. So we usually use these time expressions in past simple tense as it is used in the sentences. Here is the way how we are going to make affirmative sentences into negative. First, we are putting subject, did not, main verb, first form of the main verb, and then object. As I did not complete homework. He or she did not complete homework. It did not rain in Gujarat. We did not complete homework. You did not complete homework. They did not complete homework. Rihan did not complete homework. Rihan and Wahid did not complete homework. So this is the way how we are making translations from affirmative to negative. We are using first form of the main verb as complete, but we are putting did not with all the negative sentences. Here is the short form of did not would be didn't. We usually use in sentences. Here's the way how we are making interrogative sentences of past simple tense. First, we are putting did, then subject, and main verb, first form of the main verb, and object. As it is there, did I complete homework? And at the end of the sentence, we are putting interrogative symbol. Did he or she complete homework? Did it rain in Gujarat? Did we complete homework? Did you complete homework? Did they complete homework? Did Rihan complete homework? Did Rihan and Wahid complete homework? So this is the way how we are putting interrogative sentences of past simple tense. Here is the structure of interro-negative sentences. Did, subject, not, main verb, first form, object. As, did I not complete homework? Did he or she not complete homework? Did it not rain in Gujarat? Did we not complete homework? Did you not complete homework? Did they not complete homework? Did Rihan not complete homework? And did Rihan and Wahid not complete homework? So this is the way how we are making an order of interro-negative sentences of past simple tense. Here is the exercise for all of you for solving this. Put the verbs between brackets into the correct form, simple past, as these are the sentences. So let's solve this exercise. Last year, I spent dash my holiday in Ireland. So we are going to put the second form of the spend as it would be, I spent my holiday in Ireland. So we are using second form of the main verb because as it is a rule of past simple that we are using the second form instead of the first in the sentence. I traveled around the city by car with two friends and we it would be visited lots of interesting places in the evenings. We usually went to a cafe. It did not rain. It did not or didn't rain a lot. We saw some beautiful rainbows. I have had an amazing holiday. You see, we have used here second forms of the main verb. Those main verbs were given into the parentheses or into the brackets. We completed the exercise by putting the right verbs at the right place. Thanks for attention. Thank you very much. Hopefully this could have been very helping for all of you.